What I'm doing is I'm mashing the rice. I don't want to mash too much, but what I'm doing is I'm breaking the rice. The rice is pretty long, and you're basically breaking it into smaller pieces. And if you just press it down a few times, the rice will break it into like a couple of pieces. And I'm using basmati rice. Basmati is really good for kheer. See, this is the way it should be looking. Pour 6 cups of whole milk. Whole milk is really good to use when you're making kheer. Okay, you can put the cardamoms, open the pods and just drop the cardamoms into the milk. I added about 6. When the milk starts boiling, it gives it a nice taste to the kheer. Okay, I'm pouring the evaporated milk into the whole milk. Okay, you want to continue stirring a little bit. One tip I can give you is make sure you're using a stainless steel pot, because the non-stick pots, when you're cooking the rice and the milk, it will stick to the pot. So you want to make sure that you have the stainless steel. It's better, you can stir really well if you have the stainless steel. The milk is getting boiled, so this is a time that you want to add the cooked rice. Okay, I'm adding the cooked rice. You want to add it slowly and make sure there's no lumps. The way to get rid of lumps is you keep stirring it. If you want, you can use a whisk to get all the lumps out, or you can just press it against the pan. I'm just pressing it against the pan and just letting it, all the lumps go free. See how it's looking? Okay, there's a little bit lumps, so I'm still breaking down all the lumps. So you just press it against the pan and all the lumps should go away. Then it should be flowing nicely. Okay, keep stirring it. The milk will continue to boil, and you want to keep on stirring and not let the milk and the rice get caught under the pan, because they'll burn. So you gotta stay nearby and keep on stirring. I'm adding 1 can of condensed milk. Condensed milk is really good to be using on kheer because it adds a sweetened taste to the milk and the rice, so a nice flavor to it. I'm also adding 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 cup of sugar. Just blend it really well. Okay, I'm adding about 1/4 cup of sugar because my kids think it needs to be a little bit more sweetened. So if it's up to you, if you want to add more or not, you can. But if you want to add at the end and see how you're liking it, and if you don't want to add the 1/4 cup, you can avoid it. Continue stirring for a little bit. It's getting really nice and thick. It's almost done. I'm adding the crushed cardamom. My kids love kheer. They're always asking me, Mom, when you're making it next? Especially my oldest, he loves kheer. So I think everybody will end up liking kheer if you try it. Okay, I'm going to be adding about 2 teaspoons of ghee. If you want to add more, you can, but I just wanted to add just 2 teaspoons. The ghee gives it a nice taste to the kheer too. If you don't have ghee, you can use butter. Just keep stirring it. It's thickening up. So you add the ghee towards the end after you add the cardamom. See how it's looking? It's looking really nice. I won't be adding any nuts or raisins, but you're more than welcome to put it if you like it, because some people like raisins and nuts. You can put pistachio, cashews, or raisin. Just fry a little bit in ghee and put it. My kids don't like it. I have never put it, but it's up to you if you want to put it. See how it's looking? It's looking really nice. It's thickening up. Kheer takes about an hour to cook. If your arm is getting tired, you can always ask somebody in the house to help you. See, it's getting thick. It's almost getting done. See, this is what you're looking for. It thickened up a lot. So I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to add about 2 drops of rose water. Okay, I'm going to be adding 2 drops. Okay, I mixed the rose water. See, I can smell the aroma of the rose water. It smells so good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.